Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So guys, I'm back after so many days. Okay, so today's topic is what is Java, what is coding, yeah? So why we are doing Java? Yeah. So guys, if I tell you one thing, okay, so you know that there are the languages, there are so many languages, okay, and in that also you know that computer is understanding only binary language, yeah, 0 or 1, you can say that. Yeah, I know that what is 0, what is 1. Yeah, you know that what is 0, what is 1. Yeah, so to tell the computer what is 0, what is 1, yeah, you know that guys, we can talk to each other, yeah, but how can we talk to the computer? Yeah, so for that thing you have to give some instructions to your system. Okay, so for that part guys, you are using Java language. Yeah, isn't it confusing? Let me tell you, let me take an easiest example for you. Okay, I know that you all know that how to make a Maggie. Yeah. So if we want to make a Maggie, so we first of all we have to take the raw Maggie, yeah, and some water for it and the masala for it. Yeah, these three things are very important, and the main thing is that the stove, okay, the vessel. Yeah, so you have to put a vessel on the stove. Yes, after that add some water, maggie, masala, and while maggie is uncooked, do boil. Yes, turn off the stove after that and serve the maggie. These are the steps to make a maggie, yeah. So for that also guys, for Java also, you have to give some instructions to your system. Like, you are saying that you are writing some line of code, okay, and you are saying please do this one. Yeah, if you want to add the numbers also, you are adding some lines for it. This is the code, this is the Java. Yeah, Java is useful guys, Java is very very useful because in mobiles, okay, in web development, mobile developer, like many things, okay, Java is here. Java is very important nowadays, and trust me guys, companies are now demanding JavaScript also instead of Python. Python is very important. Every company is demanding Python, but instead of Python, JavaScript, both are very important, guys. So if you want to make your career in these fields, just work on Java language also. So I just want to tell you about Java in this video, and I will give you all the tutorials videos about the Java. Okay, I will upload all the videos on Java. Okay, so please guys support me. Okay, and if you like my video, please click the like button. Okay, do subscribe also, do comment also. If you are having any doubt guys, you can ask me on the comments, okay, on my Instagram. So I am giving you the Instagram ID also, okay. The name is Code with Dakshi. Okay, if you are having any doubt, guys, please ask me. Okay, so bye bye. Take care.